Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the Klipsch RP-400 center speaker. Great little center speaker, only 300 bucks retail. We are a Klipsch direct dealer and have their full lineup at great pricing with free shipping. And if you're in the Dallas area, we will install these products for you. This is a great bang for your buck speaker. We actually installed this the other day. It has that nice magnetic grill, the ceramic metallic woofers, that 90 by 90 horn. Really nice speaker. It's ported on the back like all of the Reference Premiere speakers. You got nice screw terminals. And there's the specifications of the unit. This is the ebony model. If you guys would like to purchase, just shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia.
We can't do this alone.